Hello, Internet. Welcome to another exciting edition of Corporate Armor Unboxing, the web series where we unbox the latest and greatest in security tech, and then we show you guys how cool it is. It is Sophos Week at Corporate Armor, which means you guys get not just one, but two unboxing videos. In this episode, we will be unboxing the Sophos XG 105. Now, if you guys keep up with our Corporate Armor unboxing series, you might have already seen the unboxing video for the Sophos XG 115. If you haven't, I recommend watching it. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below. But the XG 105, think of it as the younger sibling to the 115. Slightly smaller, but a lot of similarities. And one of the cool things about the 105 is it does pack kind of a 1-2 punch of both security and wireless. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. All right, so pretty ratty looking box, but in the box, not Sophos' fault that it's ratty looking, by the way. But anyway, in the box, get the power supply. We'll come back to that in a few minutes. Get Ethernet cable, console cable, and of course, the firewall, some feet, and guides and documentation. Let's take a closer look at the firewall. All right, so on the back of the firewall, you get your power supply, your on-off switch, a VGA port, 2 USB ports, COM port, and then 4 RJ45 interfaces. You've got your LAN, WAN, and DMZ. Now, something I want to point out real quick that's pretty cool about the way Sophos does their power supply is that's a little bit different than a lot of the other firewall companies that are out there. It actually screws into place. So you plug it in, screw it in, that way it's not going to come loose. It's not going anywhere. Now on the front of the firewall, you have your status lights, which kind of lets you know what's going on with the firewall. And then because this is a desktop form factor, you've got your feet, so you can put them on the bottom to make sure it doesn't scratch up your desk. Now that we got this thing unboxed, let's take a look at the specs. The XG105 has a stateful firewall throughput of 3 gigabits per second, an NGFW throughput of 270 megabits per second, an ISP throughput of 700 megabits per second, an AV proxy throughput of 430 megabits per second, and a VPN throughput of 300 megabits per second. So if any of you guys watched the Sophos XG 115 unboxing video, I talked about Sophos Socks, and in this video, it's going to be no different. I wanted to show off another pair of Sophos socks that I own. This is actually the very first pair of Sophos socks that I ever got at a trade show. And I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like it's going to be kind of dark. Let's see if I can lift this up in the light. Anyway, it's from the Oregon Trail. And it says, "Your feet have died from dysentery." Going to show my age here a little bit, but I do like this pair of socks because I remember playing Oregon Trail when I was young on an old Apple IIe. And had the green and black graphics just like the socks. So I just want to point out another cool pair of Sophos socks. Setup is pretty easy and straightforward on all Sophos XG models. After logging into your web dashboard for the first time, the UI will guide you through the step-by-step configuration of your new firewall. You'll set up your admin password, time zone, network info, and which features to enable. That's pretty much it. The XG105 is a desktop model, and it works best in environments of about 15 to 20 users, depending on which services you use or what those users are doing. But if you have a small office and need an appliance that can handle both security and optionally wireless, I would recommend checking out the Sophos XG105. Now to learn more about the XG105 or any other Sophos appliance, contact Corporate Armor today. Our security experts can help you find the product that best fits your business. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date and notified with everything going on at Corporate Armor.
If you like this video, you should check out some of our other Corporate Armor videos by clicking here and here, or here and here, or I really don't know where they're going to put the videos, but you're already here, so you might as well check them out.